Research Rocks. Today we will see how to format memory card using my Canon M50 Mark II. We will see detailed demonstration. So let's start. Now let's start how to format memory card on Canon M50 Mark II. So first of all you select here in manual mode, then simply on your camera. Here my camera is on, simply press here menu button. Inside the menu button several options are available here. You just simply go here in the setting menu. Here in the setting menu, number 4 format card option are available. You just simply select here using the set button. Select your memory card are showing here format card, all data will be lost. Currently I am using 2.96 gigabyte, but I want install entire information, so you can select here first of all here OK option, otherwise use this button also, otherwise this one is a screen touch, simply click, and now it's very simple to format. Within a second or entire data is format, and now my memory card are showing 896 gigabytes are used. Again you can format this space. By default memory card are using, but using these tips and tricks you can very easily format memory card on your Canon M50 Mark II. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon and subscribe our YouTube channel. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.